Should you buy a house with your partner before you get married? Buying property is often associated with the concept of marriage, and the idea of purchasing anything as a couple when not married is foreign to many people. Marriage ties the knot in the eyes of the government and in a variety of other ways too, but for many, it is this step that precedes purchasing property and a home together. However, many people are getting married later these days, and many are living together prior to marriage. The prospect of purchasing a home can be enticing even to those who have not officially gotten married. However, it is important to be cautious in these situations for a wide variety of reasons. The main reason to proceed with caution is the fact that people who purchase homes before marriage forego the legal rights that are provided to those who purchase a home after marriage. There are certain guidelines and rules within the laws of many countries that can help couples who call off their marriage after purchasing a home, property, or anything of value while married. However, marriage is not always the answer. Some people may not believe in it or may not see it as a necessary step in their relationships. That's all well and good, but there are some important steps to take when looking to an unmarried future and owning a home with your partner. Simply put, planning is the most important step to take. Planning how to pay for the home is the first step, and choosing the percentage of ownership each partner will retain. Even if it's a terrible thought, planning what to do if you ever break up is of paramount importance. It won't seem important until it actually happens and no plans are in place. Planning may be important, but it's all for naught if nothing is put into writing. Make sure you and your partner write everything down so it is all recorded and official. Having the answers in your heads isn't much good when the situation becomes legal in nature. Having proof is extremely important, no matter how improbable the situation may seem. It's important to consider that mortgage rates are not affected by your marital status. You won't get a lower rate if you're married, or a higher one if you aren't. In the end, there are a million aspects to consider when exploring the possibility of purchasing a home before or after marriage. Conventional wisdom dictates that it is a better idea to wait until after marriage, if that step is in your plans at all. This is because the law provides some useful guides when it comes to breakups. This may be hard to talk about or even think about, but it's the case nonetheless. If you do plan to purchase a home before getting married, make sure communication is at the forefront of the decision. Lay everything out on the table and make the decision from there. Purchasing a home before marriage is right for some couples and wrong for others. The only way to figure out if it's right for you is to talk it over and consider everything.
Have you ever wondered what the right questions are to ask when shopping for a mortgage? Wonder no more. Request a complimentary copy of my report entitled The Top 10 Questions Your Mortgage Lender Does Not Want You to Ask. To receive your copy, simply call me or send me an email.